Hybrid manufacturing is an advanced process which can be used to create final parts by 3D printing and machining in the same process. It can also be used to repair damaged parts or replace worn surfaces. It's unique because it's a one-step process. Almost every other process requires one or more steps to achieve the final part. Because it's a one-step process, the production time from conceiving a part to manufacturing the final design is very fast, typically just a few hours. This can compare to weeks or months in a conventional process. The one-step process means that the production cost is very low because the entire manufacturing process is performed in one machine. So what's the catch? Hybrid manufacturing requires sophisticated machines that are expensive, in some cases costing millions of dollars. But not anymore. Meltio has removed this barrier, unlocking the true potential of hybrid manufacturing for the first time. The Meltio engine is a groundbreaking new product which turns a CNC machine, like this one, into a hybrid manufacturing system. Its compact design and flexible integration allows the engine to be installed in almost any CNC system. It can also be retrofitted to existing machines, providing a valuable new capability to job shops and machine tool users. The result is the first affordable hybrid manufacturing solution catering to almost any tooling machine in the market. So how does the process work? The engine is connected to a deployment mechanism installed next to the machine spindle. The deployment mechanism contains the laser head, which is deployed for printing and retracted for machining operations automatically. The software generates the toolpath, which controls when and how the metal printing and machining operations occur in order to create the final part. Hybrid manufacturing starts with the CAD model of your part. Next, the CAD model is sliced to generate the G-code, which is used to print and machine the part. The G-code is executed on a CNC machine, which communicates continuously with the Meltio engine during the printing process. The entire process can be set with printing and machining fully automated. The result is a rapidly produced, low-cost, final part ready for your application.